The ROI on coming to SubSummit has been blown out of the water.
The people that we've met, the sessions that we've attended, these hosted meetings, of course, they've been so educational and informative for us.
The app is great, and all the hosted merchants meetings, it's so well organized.
We have follow-up scheduled, we have them on the books. This year has been particularly effective. You're really reaching out to the people you traveled here to see.
Meetings actually are meaningful, and you get fantastic contacts.
Today I met with someone who literally has a technology that is solving multiple issues that we're seeing in our business. I probably never would have found this company otherwise.
I was a little skeptical of the speed dating aspect of it, but it's actually turned out much better than I expected.
This year alone, just out of the hosted meetings, I came away with 4 very good prospects. The revenue that we would be able to generate just from those 4, gosh, I mean, it would almost fill up an entire warehouse of ours.
I think there's an electric atmosphere and can't wait to come back in the future.
One of the most well-ran conferences I've attended.
Get yourself here, tap into the community. You will not be disappointed. It is phenomenal.